dehumidifier. This is our LGR85. As you can see, it's a restoration model, and the color is blue, and the shell is hard and wheel resistant. We have full folding handle, and we also have wheels here to make it easy to transport. And we have filter can be washed and reused. I will show you how to take off the filter. First, we can unscrew the four fixing screws. It's very easy to operate. Next, open the air inlet grill, and then this is our filter. The filter can be washed, and you also can change a new one. It's very convenient. And we have two wheel access corner in the top for stacking. So this machine can be stacked to save space. And here is the air inlet and the air outlet here. And this is our power cord and the water hose. The water will be directly discharged from the water hose. And the power cord and the water hose are placed separately to avoid the danger of electricity. So it's very safe when we use this machine. And next, let's look at the control panel. This is our control panel. We can press this button to turn on and turn off the machine, and we have 3 modes to adjust. And you can scan the QR code to download an app and achieve the remotely operation. And we also have timing function.
Yeah, we have a video that shows you how to connect your app with our dehumidifier. Yeah, let's see it.
We have a video to show how to use the app to achieve the remotely operation.
Hi, Marco. We are now showing you. can see it's very